Hello and welcome to another video in our Life in Canada series. If you haven't checked out our top 3 things to do during Christmas in Toronto, you should definitely check that out at the card above or the link in the description below. Today we are going to cover 10 additional things that you can do using a private transport.
So the earlier video that we recorded was top things that you can do using public transportation, but for today we have rented a car and we'll be going to the beaches area, then Scarborough, Markham, North York, and then Etobicoke, and we also will be covering some of the downtown area. So that's why we have rented a car. There are a lot of things that you can still do with public transportation, but since we are covering the GTA area, we have rented a car.
And we'll be putting a Google Maps link in the description so you can follow along, and we'll also be putting a small image of the map right here. We're almost about to reach our first destination now. Welcome, this is our first stop, the Llama Lane.
This street is decorated with llamas on both the sides. We are on our way to the second stop of the day, and before that we are looking for Tim Hortons for the much needed coffee. Tim Hortons Christmas cup.
We are here at the Brenyon Parkway, but we are one day late. They started deflating all of their decorations, unfortunately. But nevertheless, it's still very beautiful.
There are 3 houses here that have put a lovely Christmas decoration, but I guess the snow deflated most of them and they have also started deflating it. But the snow is adding an amazing charm. It's so rare to see sun during the winters, so whenever we see little bit of sun rays, it's such a pleasant surprise. We picked up Anuj and now we are off to our next location. Santa has a helicopter, or what is this? out the full 20-minute light and sound show of this house on the actual music, click on the card above or the link in the description below. Anuj, Anish,
Thank you.
Your destination is on the right.
wow. This is nice, na?
It's 11 p.m. I just returned home after returning the rental car.
We both are really tired. It was a long day. We hope you enjoyed the video.
And if you liked it, click the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and click the bell icon so you get notified of all of our upcoming videos.
Bye.
Bye.